involvement with Digital Life?
Well, we're very proud to be here today, where we're actually showcasing Sonic, and basically for him to be on the next generation systems. It's Sonic's 15th birthday, or I should say anniversary, and so we're going to really celebrate that in style to make sure we're showing off in a great booth, where Sega's booth is going to be right at the gaming entrance at Digital Life, and we're going to showcase where Sonic is going to take, where Sonic's going to be redefined for the next generation.
What's so important for you? Why is it so important for you to be involved in Digital Life? What's so unique about your conference, Digital Life?
Well, I think Digital Life really provides this opportunity for people who are really going to try to see where they're making a decision for their holiday purchase, and where they're looking at what's going to be the hot item that they need to go for their kids, for the adults, for everyone, to make sure that they know what their hottest consumer electronics items are, what the hottest games are, and for us, when we know that we have this mass market appeal for Sonic, we've got to be out there. And so that's why for us to show how Sonic has really made his difference and show that to our consumers, our gamers, we got to be there at Digital Life.
So is it only Sonic that you're going to have there, or are you going to have a multi-array of things?
We are having other products involved with us, but first and foremost, so we do have Sonic the Hedgehog on PlayStation 3 and 360. We have Sonic Rivals on the PSP, the original Sonic the Hedgehog on GBA, but we also have this very nifty sci-fi RPG, which is called Phantasy Star Universe, which is on Xbox 360, PC, and PS2, where basically it's where you have this opportunity where you play this great single-player experience that's happening across the universe, but you also can take it online, have this great online multiplayer experience that you can go with your party of guys and take on these new adventures. And finally, we have this game called Yakuza, which is our new Japanese mafia game that gives a little bit more of the gritty, edgy side. So nice little balance. So we have games that are for the kids and the mass market guys, and and at the same time we have the games for the more mature, more experienced crowd, and we have games that really cut for someone who wants to really go into that deep, rich experience. So we're giving a big range today, so we're very happy to show all these games out at Digital Life.
And how do you find the consumers at Digital Life? What kind of people are coming to your booth, and are they excited about what they're seeing? Tell me a little bit about the consumers at Digital Life.
Well, I think the consumers are really guys who are savvy with technology, but they really need to have hands-on experience. They want to know what's going to make this game cool. What are the features that you're hearing about? This is your one big chance to really have your hands on, because really in most other events you don't have this opportunity. So I think you have the consumers that are very passionate about technology, very passionate about electronics, very passionate about games, and that's where they're going to come in, check out Digital Life, and really see for themselves what's going to be really hot coming out for holiday.
Fabulous. Thank you guys.
All right.
Here's Soundbite Machine.